Go hide under my bed right now.
Lol, why?
Just do it.
Okay, but you better join me. Who are you talking to downstairs?
My boyfriend is here.
You have a boyfriend?
You weren't supposed to find out. He's meant to be in Paris, but he forgot his passport.
You told me you were single. Why are you on Tinder? Where are my clothes gone? I'm still under the bed.
Calm down, I'll explain. He's just grabbing his passport. Then he'll be gone for weeks.
Okay, you're right. We should be fine. Wait, is your boyfriend French? Is his name Damien Lucas?
Yes. Why? Do you know him?
Oh, man.
He's heading to the bedroom.
His passport is next to me. What should I do?
Do you know how to fight?
What? No!
You put in your profile you're a professional boxer. Did you lie?
This is not the time for this.
He's going to beat your ass if he finds you. Feels bad to be you?
I can see him. He's walking around. He looks so angry.
Just don't make a sound and everything will be alright.
Okay.
Even I heard that from downstairs.
Must have been that Taco Bell.
Hey babe, is everything alright? Hello? What is going on? Wait there. Why can I hear kissing noises coming from the bedroom?